Good morning, guys. So we're starting out this week with some new material. Now, I hope you watched the other videos prior to this, but I'm going to show you just in case you forgot how to access our calculator, the calculator emulator. Very easy to use, very similar to our regular calculator. But I just wanted to show you guys how to access it and how to use it. You will need it for this week's lessons. So go into your course, whatever course that may be, and go into resources to get you started. Notice I have a calculator folder here. In the calculator folder, there are two files and a video that shows you how to do it. So if this doesn't give you enough information, watch this video here. I made it as well. So the first thing you're going to double click is double click the TI-84. Now click it. It will download. Boom. It pops up down here. I know it's a little bit out of the shot for yours. I'll see if I can slide it down for you guys. Boom, right here you can see that. So once you have that downloaded, go back to the calculator folder and select the second file. This will open up. Now you'll see this pop up down here. Click this here. Notice it looks like a rabbit holding a calculator. Click that. This will pop up. Hit browse. And notice, I have a whole bunch of them because I've downloaded this a bunch of times, but yours will pop up. It doesn't matter which one of these you pick. Yours might only have one. Just select that one. Hit finish. And now you have a calculator. Now it doesn't fit in the screen very well, so the way you adjust that is if you see up here, if you hit the full screen option, that maximizes the calculator. So what we're going to be looking at, I'm going to slide this over and show you an example problem of what we're going to be doing. We're going to be looking at, say, sine inverse of 3 over 10. And we want to figure out what this is equal to. This, as of right now in this course, you can't figure this number out without using a calculator. The way we do this using a calculator, and notice I'm going to be using the cursor here to select it, is first I'm going to make sure we're in the right mode, and we want to be in degree mode. So that means we need to scroll down to radian and go over to degree and hit enter. Notice it's floating over degree now. Every time you open your calculator, you need to do this first. And then hit second quit. That gets us back to our home page. So if I want to do sine inverse of 3 over 10, notice here I have see that symbol right here in purple? In order to access that command, you need to hit the second first and then press sine. Boom, notice sine inverse. 3 divided by 10, close the parenthesis and hit enter. And it gives us 17.45, which we're going to round to 17. We're rounding to the nearest degree. Let's say we need to do tangent inverse of 19 over 6, right? So we hit second tangent, right? And notice I don't need to go back into mode, because if I go back to mode, it's still in degrees. Only when you close it and open it back up. All right, so let's go second quit. So I'm going to hit second tangent, right? Still in degree mode, of 19 divided by 6. Boom, and we get 72. So this is how we use the calculator to determine sine inverse and tangent inverse. If you want to just take sine of something, let's say we wanted to do sine of 20, right? Notice the difference here, no -1. You don't need to hit the second button. Sine 0. And that gives us 3, 4. So this kind of gives you an idea of how we use our commands in the calculator to do sine, sine inverse, cosine, etc. It's all there. You just need to know how to open up our calculator. So I hope you found this video helpful. Make sure you watch the other videos before trying the try-its and the show me what you know. Thank you guys. Have a great day.